Good night. My name is Elizabeth Espitia. I am from Fine 226 to 306 of the SENA's Microfinance Services and Operations Program. Today I will talk about the island of San Andres as a tourist place. San Andres Island. This beautiful Colombian island is located on the coast of Nicaragua. It has a beautiful landscape with white and crystal clear blue crystalline. It is very pleasant. The water is beautiful. Island and enviable. If suddenly the sunsets a little spicy, the breeze transforms the day into a summer delight. This is my happy and enjoying the breeze. Next, I will talk about Lower Hall. In this famous tourist are the famous this side being Coloca Morgan. I am with my husband enjoying the experience of hearing the water whole feels exciting. Morgan Gabe. The two guys are excellent people and friends, and thanks to that you can know this story. And Johnny Kim is beautiful little coral islet that is located north of the city of San Andres. Okay. San Andres Spanish is spoken the language of the island is also practiced Creole San Andres and Creole and English. The vast sensation that San Andres transmits is the tranquility at the moment with your feet on the sand listening to the waves of the sea. And finally, I chose this place because it is really unique and unparalleled experience husband on this wonderful island. I will know the hazy, but already with our children. Thank you very much for listening. I hope you like the presentation. This beautiful island, not hazy visit. You will be surprised.